Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cover letter for study abroad with Indeed, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the program you are applying to. Understand its requirements and values. Identify the skills and experiences that align with the program. Open Indeed's cover letter template page. Select the option for creating a new cover letter. Enter your personal information at the top, including your name and contact details. Include the date of your application. Address the letter to the relevant institution or admission committee. Write a strong opening paragraph. Clearly state your intention to apply for the study abroad program. Mention the specific program and university by name. In the second paragraph, highlight your academic achievements. Connect your studies to your desired program. Use specific examples to demonstrate your qualifications. In the third paragraph, discuss relevant experiences. This could include internships, volunteer work, or projects. Show how these experiences have prepared you for studying abroad. Use an engaging tone that reflects your personality. In the conclusion, express enthusiasm for the opportunity. Reiterate your desire to contribute to the program. Thank the reader for their consideration. Sign off with a professional closing, such as sincerely or best regards. Proofread your cover letter for any errors. Make sure it flows well and conveys your message clearly. Save the document in a format suitable for submission. When you are satisfied, submit your cover letter along with your application. Follow any additional instructions provided by the institution. Monitor your email for responses regarding your application status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.